Hi, today we want to model a hex key. If you want to learn it, stay with me. I'm Irfan and you're watching Prime Engineering channel. This is the drawing of our part and the download link is in the description. Let's get to work. New, select part, select top plane and go to sketch. I draw a hexagon. With a smart dimension, you can define the measurements. These 2 points should be horizontal, so I select them and make them horizontal. I select right plane and I need to draw the center line of our part. I select tangent arc and I draw a 90 degrees arc. I start to define the measurements of our center line. I select Swept Boss Base tool. With this tool, you can make your sketch follow a path and make a geometry. First one is sketch 1. Second one is our center line. I select right plane and I go to sketch. I need to draw a triangle. I also need a center line to rotate the triangle around it and cut our part with it. I select this point and this line and make it midpoint. I select revolved cut. I select right plane and I go to sketch, an exact same process again. It's done. Thanks for watching.